1. At how many weeks of pregnancy can Hager's sign be detected? 6 to 8 weeks. 2. In which presentation is the longest diameter of the fetal skull found? Brough presentation. 3. What is the largest diameter of the fetal skull? Mentovertical diameter. 4. Until how many weeks can medical termination of pregnancy, MTP, be legally performed? 20 weeks, earlier law, now extended to 24 weeks in certain cases. 5. At how many weeks can colostrum be expressed from a pregnant woman's breasts? 14 to 16 weeks. 6. What is the diameter of the occipitofrontal measurement of the fetal skull? 11.5 centimeters. 7. What is the name of painless uterine contractions during pregnancy? Braxton Hicks contractions. 8. What type of abortion is most likely if performed by an untrained midwife? Septic abortion. 9. What is the weight of a low birth weight, LBW, baby? Less than 2,500 grams. 10. What is the average fetal weight at 20 weeks of pregnancy? 300 to 400 grams. 11. What percentage of the fetal weight does the placenta weigh? 1/6 of the fetal weight. 12. What is the major risk of premature rupture of membranes, PROM? Infection, sepsis. 13. What is the name of painless vaginal bleeding in the third trimester? Placenta previa. 14. How many bones form the pelvic structure? 4 bones. 15. What is the expected date of delivery known as? Expected date of delivery, EDD. 16. What is the name of the ridge formed between the upper and lower uterus during obstructed labor? Retracted ring. 17. What is the sticky white substance covering a newborn's skin? Vernix caseosa. 18. What is the first movement of the fetus called? Quickening. 19. What is the term for white vaginal discharge? Leukorrhea. 20. Where does fertilization occur in the fallopian tube? Ampulla of the fallopian tube. 21. In shoulder presentation, which part is the denominator? Scapula, shoulder blade. 22. In which year was the MTP Act passed in India? 1971. 23. What is the swelling on the fetal skull called, which is normal and gradually disappears? Caput succedaneum. 24. What is the condition where fetal growth is slower than normal? Intrauterine growth restriction, IUGR. 25. What is the endometrium called during pregnancy? Decidua. 26. During active labor, how much does the cervix dilate? 6 to 10 centimeters. 27. Which disease does the BCG vaccine provide immunity against? Tuberculosis, TB. 28. What is the condition called when amniotic fluid is less than 300 ml? Oligohydramnios. 29. At what age does the anterior fontanelle close? 9 to 18 months. Posterior fontanelle closes in 1 to 2 months. 30. Which hormone is responsible for milk ejection from the breasts? Oxytocin. 31. In vertex presentation, what is the denominator? Occiput. 32. What is the internal OS? Inner opening between the cervix and uterus. 33. What is the infection of the umbilical cord called? Omphalitis. 34. In face presentation, what is the denominator? Mentum. Chin. 35. What is the first stool passed by a newborn called? Meconium. 36. How many fontanelles are present in the fetal skull? 6. 37. What is the sign of cervical softening during pregnancy called? Goodell's sign. 38. What is the shape of the anterior fontanelle? Diamond-shaped. 39. What is the average length of the umbilical cord? 50 centimeters. 40. What is the pelvic inlet called? Brim. 41. What is the incision made in the perineum during childbirth called? Episiotomy. 42. What is the increased pulsation felt in the lateral vaginal fornices called? Auchiander's sign. 43. In which stage of labor does the placenta and membranes get expelled? Third stage of labor. 44. How many calories are needed daily by a lactating mother? 2600 to 3000 kilocalories per day. 45. How much protein is required daily during pregnancy? 50 to 60 grams. 46. What is normal labor called? Eutosia. 47. What is the Graafian follicle called after ovulation? Corpus luteum. 48. What is the inflammation of the fallopian tubes called? Salpingitis. 49. What is the temporary cessation of menstruation during pregnancy called? Amenorrhea. 50. What is the medical term for temporary absence of menstruation due to pregnancy? Amenorrhea.